just gonna go on this one, man.
Boy, Fro.
I'm just gonna go on this one. My wife had a dream about my son. My son finished right after he begun. It's deeper than y'all know about my second number one. And it's a trip, excuse me, it's not a trip. But listen, number 16 on Kel's new album, and don't let it skip. This song just happened to be on when I started writing this script. You wanna know what song it is? I got it for sale, and it's less than 6. I'm an entrepreneur, don't hate. My right goes deep up on the first page. If y'all only knew how deep it is today. My job don't want to pay me enough wage. As a matter of fact, I don't pay me enough wage. Okay, from here on out, I will pay me at least $100 a day. And I mean that no matter what y'all say. I gotta take care of my business, there is no time to play. And just say no like in the 5th grade. How many times will you take a loss before you realize you're not getting paid? It's some things going on with me that I can't write down. If I had to, I'm gonna go ahead and move around. Because my circle can't be having no spaces, it's gotta be tight. I thank God that I can spit when I write. I'm finna go get me a piece of chicken off the grill in the rain. So I'll be back in just a minute. Y'all just maintain. I put meat in the rising instead of seasoning on the chicken. So it tastes like fried chicken from the grill, not the kitchen. I mean, I ain't even using barbecue sauce. I'm just holding with this toilet paper because it's hot like Rick Ross. And I'm just spitting fresh off the dome. I wish I had a happier home. I got so much work to do that I wish I was cloned. It ain't easy being grown. I'm trying to get my paper loan. I want my own money. I don't want no loans. Give me some time alone, please. Praying doesn't have to be on your knees. What is my next step? When will I get some rest? Watch what you do, people, because memories do stick. Nobody but my wife gets to get this acting brick. She is the one trying to help pay the house. I'm working, y'all are just potatoes on the couch. I'm trying to be this undisputed middleweight poet champion of the world. And I don't need the slam. I want it for my books and album sales. And with that being said, that's it. I need to get paid to spit. Man.
Whoa. This is your boy Froze.
Is this all you find ladies? Check this out. If looks could kill, I will not look at you, and that is real. I don't want to die, I want to live. My life for your looks, I am not ready to give. I got too much that I need to do. Like I said, I will not give my life for you. This won't be murder, she wrote. Before you can kill me, it is you that I show. My life ain't complete just yet. To look at you, I will not bet. I'm trying to keep my money in my pocket. I wish your pretty self was ugly so you could stop it. And to be pretty and bougie makes it even worse. A woman's looks can be her curse. Temptation can be a man's worst enemy. She is just right, she is not too fat or too skinny. So I'm gonna stay away from that broad. I kinda hate what my eyes just saw. Because remembering can be just as bad, dude. Your thoughts are eyes too. I would be going backwards if I fell for your fine self. Looks can kill. So God, please give me some help.
Man.
I don't wanna die.
I don't wanna die.
I wanna live.
I wanna live, baby. Man.
That might be one right there.
Tell you, man.
What's up, Jet?
Man.
What's up, Red Wine?
Feel me?
Just shout that boy out to you.